So andito tayo ngayon sa Manhattan Parkview to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit. 36.5 square meters, 1 bedroom, Manhattan Parkview Tower 1. So ito yung toilet and bath niya. Then living and dining area. Kitchen niya, over and under cabinets. 6th floor lang po tayo. And facing amenities. Ayan, no? Kitang-kita nyo yung swimming pool. Ayan. So this is around 3.8 million. And this is for bidding. Available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. This is as is where is upon turnover. So kayo na pong bahala mag-renovate or ayusin yung tiles because medyo angat na yung tiles dito sa living area niya. So below market value po to, around 3.8 million. Ang value po nito sa developer pag bumili kayo nasa 6 million na. And ang kagandahan sa unit na to, ang view niya is amenities. Ang view niya is facing amenities. And of course, yung location niya, within Araneta Center lang siya or Araneta City, Cubao. Napaka-convenient niya. Diba? Walking distance ka lang sa LRT or sa MRT. So, isang oras na kaya mo libutin ang Metro Manila. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid, please message us directly. This is Manhattan Parkview amenity area. That's the swimming pool. Dito rin yung game room. Ayan. Ito yung basketball court nila. Function room. Then basketball court.